Hello students, welcome to Concept Online Classes. This is our third lecture of periodic classification of elements. In this lecture, we will be covering about the modern periodic table and its trends. So let's begin. So in 1913, Henry Moseley, a young English physicist, showed that the atomic number of an element is the more fundamental property or than its atomic mass. Okay, so we know that atomic number is equal to the number of proton and electron in the nucleus. So the atomic number of every element is fixed and no two elements can have the same atomic number. So accordingly, Mendeleev periodic law was modified to the modern periodic law, which states that the properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. According to modern periodic law, the properties of an element are the periodic function of their increasing atomic number, not atomic mass. Okay. So the atomic number is represented by Z and it is equal to the number of protons in the nucleus of the atom, because number of protons are also equal to the number of electrons. So the modern periodic table, it is also consists of 18 vertical columns known as groups and 7 horizontal rows known as period. We also have 7 horizontal periods in Mendeleev periodic table. So Mendeleev periodic table has the main role or significant attempt in formation of this modern periodic table. Elements having same number of valence electron are placed in same group, and as we go down in the group, number of shells increases. In class 9th we have studied about the shells, KLMN. So as we go down the group, the number of shells increases. Element having same number of occupied shells are placed in same period. If any element having same shells, so they are placed in same period. Each period has a new electronic shell getting filled. Okay, in each period as we go down, the new shell will be filled. Number of elements placed in a particular periods depend on the point how the electrons are filled in the various shells. To find the number of electrons, we know the formula, that is 2n square. Okay, where n is the number of shell. If the first shell, you can like square it. One square is like 1 into 2. The first shell will have 2 electrons. The second shell will have 8 electrons. So like this. Okay. So let's study about little more in detail. So in modern periodic table, elements were arranged in the form on the basis of their atomic number, and it consists of 18 vertical column and 7 horizontal row. So vertical column of periodic table are known as groups. You can see above there are 18 vertical columns and 7 horizontal rows. Those are called periods. So the modern periodic table, as we move from left to right, atomic number increases and by 1 unit. However, number of shells containing electrons remains the same. And all the elements in any group of the periodic table have identical outer shell electronic configuration. However, the number of filled shell increases as we go down the group. Okay. For example, group 17 have 7 electrons in the valence shell, while the number of filled shell increases from 1 in fluorine to 2 in chlorine and so on. So like this we have increased number of shell as we go down the group. Okay, now there are trends in the modern periodic table. Let's study what are these. The first one is the valency. What are trends? The physical and chemical properties of the elements mainly depend upon their outer electronic configuration. So it changes as we go from left to right in the period, or on the other hand, within a group, the elements have the same outer electronic configuration. So it changes as we go from left to right in the period and from top to bottom in the group. So let's study one by one what are these trends. The first one is the valency. On moving left to right in the period, valency increases and then it decreases, but it remains same down the group. As we move down in the group from top to bottom, the valency remains same, but in the periods valency first increases from 1 to 3 and then it decreases. The second one is atomic size. Atomic size is referred to the atomic radius, the distance between the nucleus and the outermost electron. So it decreases from left to right in the period as the nuclear charge increases due to large positive charge on the nucleus. Atomic size increases down in the group due to decrease in nuclear charge. Okay, so it decreases in the period as we move left to right, and it increases in the group. Okay, don't get confused. Please learn them thoroughly, and okay, by understanding them, increases, decreases, don't get confused. Now the third one is metallic character. What is metallic character? The ability to lose electron is known as metallic character. So metallic character decreases from left to right in the period, because on the left side there will be more metals, and on the left side of the periodic table there are non-metals. So metallic character decreases as we move left to right in the period. This is due to the increase in nuclear charge. But non-metallic character increases left to right in the period, because we move left to right in the period. On your right hand side there will be more non-metals, so non-metallic character increases, and the metallic character increases down the group as the size increases, and it is easily to lose electron. So as we move from top to bottom in the group, the metallic character increases. Now the last is the fourth one, that is basic character of oxide. It increases down the group as the atomic radius increases and ionization energy decreases. This is due to the increase in metallic character or electropositivity of elements. Okay, and the non-metallic character of element decreases from top to bottom. Metallic character increases and non-metallic character decreases from top to bottom in the group. There is a memory map for you to understand it more clearly, or you can learn it in the picture form, that atomic size or atomic radius decreases down the group and it increases left to right or right to left. The metallic character increases as we move right to left in the period, or the metallic character decreases, or we can say in other word, metallic character decreases when we move left to right in the period, and the non-metallic character increases as we move left to right in the period. Ionization and energy and electron affinity, they are not in your course. Actually in 10th class you'll study these energies in your higher classes. So this was about the modern periodic table and its trend. I hope you like the video, and please like our FB pages. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos, and you can also buy these videos on our app. Thank you.